Hey, in this video, we are going to discuss how to set up Google Play Store on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. To set up Google Play Store on your Chromebook, first of all, you have to update your Chromebook to the latest version of Chrome OS. For that, simply open Settings, click on About Chrome OS, and click on Check for Updates, and update your device to the latest version of Chrome OS. Once you have updated your Chrome OS, simply restart it to apply the changes. Once done, click on App Launcher icon, open Settings, click on Apps option. Here you will find Manage Google Play Preference. Click on Turn On, and here you will find the option to enable Google Play Apps and Service. Click on More, Accept User Agreement, and here you can see it is setting up Google Play Store on your Chromebook. Once done, it will enable Google Play Store service on your Chromebook. Using it, you can install Android games and application on your Chromebook. So that's for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.